Good morning, Mr. X. That is a beautiful Christmas tree.
Thank you, Bob. I'm going to decorate it for Xmas. I like to pronounce it Xmas because it makes me feel special.
Excellent! It will look extremely pretty.
Yes, it will. But I can't find a way to take my Xmas tree home. Can you help me?
Of course! But first, can we stop at my class? The kids would love to meet you.
Excellent! Let's go!
Hey kids, I would like you all to meet my friend Mr. X. He is a rare and special letter you will discover as you learn the language.
Hello, Mr. X.
Hey kids, I am extremely happy to meet you today.
Mr. X is going to show you some exciting things that start with the letter X.
Are you kids ready?
Yes.
Let's start with a riddle. Garland, lights, and balls. They can all be seen once they are hung up on this evergreen.
Christmas tree.
Or as I call it, Xmas tree. I love to play carols on my xylophone. An X-ray helps me check if I am healthy.
Wow! Look at how healthy Jack is.
Excellent, Bob.
That was exciting, Mr. X. Could you go through it once again, please?
Xmas tree. Xylophone. X-ray.
Excellent! Now, can we show the kids how to write the letter X?
This is exciting! Let's begin!
Jack, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Start at the top and draw a slanting line going down to the right. Perfect! Then go back to the top, a little to the right of the first line, and draw a slanting line going down to the left, meeting the first line in the center. Perfect, Jack!
That was pretty simple. Can I try that again, Bob?
Go ahead!
Start at the top and draw a slanting line going down to the right. Then go back to the top, a little to the right of the first line, and draw a slanting line going down to the left, meeting the first line in the center.
Excellent, Jack! What an exciting day it was today!
Exactly, Mr. X! And thank you for helping the kids today. To show you how much it means to have you here, we have a song for you.
Excellent! Let's hear it!
Mr. X, you bring like an Xmas king, a xylophone to sing, and tree to gently string. Could you sign this autograph? You always make us laugh. A special friend like you, there are so very few. Christmas time is here. Can you hear the cheer? With friends near and dear, it's the best time of year. Mr. X, you bring like an Xmas king, a xylophone to sing, and tree to gently string.
I am touched, Bob. That was beautiful.
We're glad you liked it. Until we meet again, kids. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, kids. See you soon.